tonight. Yeah. yeah. What me gonna link up in the idea? I don't say one chat to me. One Gracie, I love it like a life, yeah. One Gracie, I say that we can love more than your boy, Gracie. Gracie, I love you now. Oh God, Gracie, man. Yo, let me tell you this, Andre Sokodalan. Before I start with me ranting, I'm a clanting, I'm a blood clot beating, I'm a drying. Let me tell you this, Sokodalan. You suck too much blood clot out with your blood. Brother, let me tell you this. A long time in a life with the educated bumbo hole, you know. Gillette. Brother, let me tell you this. Father. You see how just in a tree? You see it? Remember when we used to beat you up at school? Take your beat up, fam. We don't want to be with a friend that every minute they say like a batty man you come out in the blood clot media, shake and carry on himself. Keep spice in your mouth, come we come shit in your mouth the next time we come right there, some boy. You think Andrew Wellness, this pussy. You know about we over here, so. You don't know nothing about we over blood clot, yes, over here, so we go over blood clot, yes, so. We're in a different blood clot category over here, so. You see the category where we in a pussy hole, it's not even there in the blood clot world, because we create that category there. That category that few one, we know we own a blood clot lane. We know the on the main, we know we own a blood clot lane. So good Sutherland every day with the whole heap of cocky better lick off of your bumbuckler mouth. You cocky them up, stay in your tongue. And you get up every day, you walk on talk about Spice. Spice don't know you, Spice don't see you. Run up in our batty hole and live there. And go suck out your man. If you find, say your mama is busy, you're thinking, fuck out, Batman father like you is there. And I'm not drinking too early, but you can blame it on the fuck that, you understand me, no baby, pan alcohol, pussy one. Because when I come to Jamaica, I will kick you under your seat. You hear that, Batty boy? You will get kick under your bumbuckler seat, Miss Spicy, don't play with me. I will send 2 men come kicking it. You think I went and Juliet did beat you? I will send 2 men to tap up and down in your deep thinking batty hole for you. So till them beat it till you pop up and shit up you like a batty man self. Relax yourself. If we don't send for you, don't send for us, because we come in. We come in. Pussy hole long time batty boy with the church out brief. Man, then fuck you out so much and can't even buy you some clothes. You ever look blood clot naked? Naked I hear blood clot nigga name pussy hole. When you walk and talk to whoever and clothes, fix your blood clot self. You hear that, batty boy? Fix yourself. And move your thinking frozen blood clot for yourself from use a magnum buckle and bust up your batty man head. You hear that? A whole heap of song Spice sing, boy, I want to highlight. No for you look a black girl. Want to when black hypocrisy come out. No, never run up and down with black hypocrisy. No for you never run down with that. One time, the people them a get killed and murder yard. Spice make how much in tune. Oh, no, highlight them the tune there. But as on the ear, this little upcoming suddy mouth batty blood clot boy, who open up theme chimney. The whole on run up, gone up in a bumbuckler Spice. But no one in this, you know. You don't need none of bumbuck like this because right just so now whole heap of things they fit up because enough girl wanna run up and down with boy. Them no sing conscious blood clot tune. All them do a naked all about on the blood clot internet. Spice naked too but she sing blood clot good tune. She makes sense. You just never run with them so no blame Spicy. You no go blame on a stinking woman the dirty blood clot Batman wanna listen to. Holy song Spice sing one and give a blood clot energy too. But as girls say, skin out the crutches, you no run gone. And then you call me blood clot artist, skin out artist. I don't skin out, I want a blood clot one. When we sing good blood clot tune, go on a bench them. And when we say skin out and take some fucking on a blood clot hole already. So what we do? A market we a blood clot market. We don't sit a skin out pum myself. We blood clot come over here so we say black hypocrisy. We say good things, we say don't kill off the youth them. We don't play them song, we don't come to woman. Don't blood clot come to because that's what we tell we categorize the thing, you know. We categorize the thing. We not that category over here so, we not the over here so. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do them look at something there. Them look at something there. We don't like them look at something there. Go and sit down with them look at something there. Go! Move! Because you right now make my shoulder feel like it all want to drop off of me. You know? Move from here and go, man. Uno jump up to double and blood class spice. Spicing all kind of sitting and I want to gravitate to the girl and say, you come suck out the whole of blood clot and lick with your make sure no stinking tongue clean kind of found on a brush teeth. Go ahead and move in the blood clot. I could boil it down because I come and queen she last because every time I call for them go like they want to rub me, you know. I just come out just to them. I feel like I look a girl. I feel like I carry on like one bitch today. I feel like a bitch. I feel like a whore. I feel like a dog shit. People, I feel like a dog shit today. Today is my dog shit era. Yes, tentic with your teeth in blood clot self. Everybody me come for today. Hello. Yes, I have a man clothes, but I got trace today like one girl. I got long up my blood clot tongue like a fruit roll up. Right now, me attack. Tentic your teeth. Me not care if you send back $1,000 go give blood clot in me attack because you still owe. You still owe. No for when you look at Jamaican artists get up in a blood clot club but you don't want to see people woman and call to them on a broke like blood clot buckle. When you come in like a DG blood clot buckle and want to drop them pushing a blood clot go man can stab in a belly with. You dirty broke artist. You broke like blood clot buckle, you broke like dog. But you want to see people, woman and call to them. Can you really call to come in? Your face chamba like one strainer. Drunk cry, your face chamba like one blood clot strainer, stinking tentic. It think the time when you take the people and say, boy, you want to go vice, and you're not vice, boy, you're mum because you're hungry, and the dog Canada, you're hungry. You did hungry Canada, the people them talk your business. You couldn't buy your ticket for guy, your blood clot, yeah, because the promoter say, nah, buy your ticket drunk, me hear about you. Me hear about you, me tell you, you never want none of blood clot, is whop in your blood clot head this morning. I whop you so till you drop this blood clot, man, you're the broke. Hungry, you're running around blood clot silk bar situation and you're stuck in a blood clot Canada, remember? Hungry, the youth say, yeah. The voice from the rhythm, you know, the same surgery, man, I know say that gonna hurt me. You know that rhythm that everybody know the rhythm I love. You take up the man money to your hungry and broke and can't reach your blood clot yard. The wrong girl you call to the night in a chop up face blood clot boy. Your face look like somebody sweat up like you're chucky. Move your blood clot and go. Your sister them might girl alone them a road drunk come with dry you. Like the shit stain them in your dirty blood clot breathe tentic. Tentic under you smell like oh your blood clot look atrocious bitch. Move your blood clot and go pay the man the rest of your money. Don't ever see my woman and call to her again. I will trace you, dirty boy. Briefless, brokeless, dirty blood clot boy, I will trace you. Move, I will trace you, drunk crow. Go find the people, them blood clot money workless boy. Cause enough of this out the bus on our corners and our goals and our all kind of blood clotting. But on the magas. On the magas, no blood clot. On the hungry. Oh no, hungry white squirrel kill your chop up face. The time when you did not call to blood clot, come in, you pay about the money in blood clot money and wipe off the white squirrel for your mouth corner. Your mouth corner full of blood clot white squirrels. I be your white squirrels that kill you. White squirrels are blood clot kill your drunk crow. You need to go give back the money rest of your money man to $1,000 you send come. Go! You drunk crow like ever call to people girl you can't mind them. You can't even pay Camille rent. Go sit down, broke boy. Look how long you stop roll deep. You're all deep. You're all blood clot deep because you're broke now. Man, I go rub out your hole. You put you on blood clot. Best of the best. And not if you pitch down up there. You don't rate it. You don't know blood clot body. But trace it. I trace me a blood clot just because you broke like dog. Right now you broke like dog. I'm not ask. Dog, you broke like. Buckle too good for blood clot. You dog never have money yet. And money for buy blood clot buckle. Last time I look for one buckle at 25 cents and then we get it for buy one buckle. Go black buckle dearer than blood clot, you. The boy say you sit down in the blood clot stew there, your mum be a little song to the rhythm. Like you got blood clot do it, but you you're so hungry the white squall material off your mouth corner. You take up the man blood clot money 10 kick. The man should have get 10 kick in your blood clot seed. The man should have to ring off the whole of your blood clot seed and drop your ground and push in your 4 corner of your mouth. In the four corner, you pocket them should have fling two blood, you two big dirty seed where you have. Come here, look like she want you. For the one, for the blood clots, what? You don't see a broke like that, boy. You need a blood clot 10-6, so that have to do with me. It's supposed to rockle my blood clot nerves. It's supposed to touch me in some kind of deep blood clot. Will somebody tell me? Because I don't know. Somebody tell me. Hello? Somebody tell me it's supposed to rockle. It's supposed to rockle my nerve. You is who? I know you're not blood clot reach from billboard. Boy, go sit down. Go sit the fuck down. You want 10 kicking in your blood clot jaw corner, drunk crow. Move, I eat you from the blood clot. Me say if my wife tell me the night say you come up to she, I trace you from blood clot out there, make my friend them beat out your blood clot. You can't come to Miami, come hype with no blood clot gun we own them boy. You go sit down, four corner, you want somebody kicking in your thinking hole. Your under you stink like your whole stink. Me go always live by you because you're too blood clot enough, you're too ugly for people to fucking enough. You see your blood clot shot, me stand 5'11", nigga, I can beat you up. The fuck wrong with you, nigga? Bitch. You a bitch. I saw you looking in the fucking club. You look like a hoe, bitch. You look like a hoe. A bitch, a hoe. And now I know you a broke hoe, bitch. You a broke ass hoe. Big broke ass hoe. You a broke ass hoe. Hoe ass bitch. You a hoe. Ain't got no money, bitch. Bitch. Bitch! What the fuck? Damn, Earl. I don't know. Yeah, I not put on no more clothes for myself, my love. I just come out of my trace this morning. Trace, I come for blood clot trace. When I come for blood clot talk, I come for talk, I'm not rest my throat. I not rest my throat, I'm my throat. I hear throat? I don't need no blood clot eyes. Me don't need no bumbuckler mint ball. My throat steady. It blood clot steady. Ready? Okay. Talking good things now, my love. Watch out. Girl, I don't know where to start. No, girl. My earth. People. Look into my eyes. I feel like Bounty Killer, don't it? Yes, Queen, every time I call her name, you trace. I carry on. Because you're all a long time I come like on drunk. Everybody say me not for cuss Queenie. But look here now. Me never ever cuss Queenie. I tell Queenie the truth. Queenie, you can be the whole of my mother with the right, yes. All of it. Including myself, girl. Me younger than your man. Not too young. Me and him then at age group, you know, 30 to 30. Same shit. Me and the boy got school same time. Them way there. When me that little girl, me used to talk to big people. Big woman used to like me. You know? Talking about it. But you Queen, you want big care this long time, chaka all blood clot woman. Me not care what nobody wants to say. Everybody expect you to come out here and come beg for a woman when I beg for yourself. Come out when you can't trace me. Could have never. You could have never blood clot trace me. You're big and long time looking with the whole like starlight them all over your stinking blood clot body. Queen, you could have done you could have done the bumper clot body and the titty, but you couldn't take off the starlight off of your dirty blood clot whole body. You and this little boy, me don't know who the fuck you think here about who now look a blood clot marriage. Because if every time I come in for argue, if you come out on the internet, would have bury my phone. I would have buried my blood clot phone. Because I don't know if attention you and the stinking mouth boy did want. I don't know if I want, but every little time I could have want search you not argue about in the house reach on the internet like you think we care. You think we care? No, we no blood clot here. You and the little blood clot wingworm need to go get a counselor for no fucked up, look a dirty marriage you wanna have. You just say you can't breathe. Lord, if the woman said, if him in the road you him not see him pick me better left from around blood clot, you can that the blood clot pussy that on milk powder, girl. Alaska you have underneath you now, goody. No more wetness now go on underneath you. You can breathe, give this little boy. You can't take up yourself and breathe. breed for this little boy. You better allow the boy make him go look for him pitney. All you two is a little what this boy we don't like work. You can't see two of them come like a disgrace. You don't have no blood clot marriage, nobody come tell us they don't want to be like Uno. Nobody don't want to be like Bumbleclad Uno. You cock up every day with them old woman furniture and them old woman teddy bears and a big old blood clot woman. Be a teddy bear in your house like say you're Peter blood clot pan. Yeah, who good eh? You still live in a one blood clot dream world. Woman, you're 50 a year blood clot. Well, and never one day you act like your age. But people want you to respect she. Oh, me for respect we when she don't respect her blood clot self. She is a big 50-year-old woman when married, you know. Meaning say, me a 30. No one a better yet to all that much. But you're 50-year-old. Every time one pot drop in a your house, you hear like a wingworm. You hear like a blood clot 40 leg where you have in a house. Every time you turn it up on the blood clot internet, you don't even cute together. You look fucked up together like seriously. You have a body and breast with whole heap of cellulite on your dirty blood clot body. Every minute you get up in a one amount of shots, this and that. Yeah, show. What the fuck you show off? Get a grip of your old blood clot self. Get a grip of your old blood clot self and go find yourself. You couldn't diss my mother. Me not give a fuck who you love, girl. They can't go love who you want love over one play. You couldn't blood clot this my mother, because this is my mama is a no. I beat your girl. You could have never tell me about my mama. Me not give a fuck who want love who underneath right here, so. Because some man don't get thing when you good for do just rate some one bag of blood clot idiot. Yeah, idiot? Eh? You didn't even get a grip of yourself as a whole blood clot woman. You're 52, they're 32 years old. You're on the nasty together. Who know a war? All these are my bust up in face. Bust up what? All blood clot drunker like you. Can't bust up for me face as a young general. Yeah, idiot? Every day she get up at this people, but you can't this shit. Boy, me love all out the world say that. Boy, me love quick. Cause suck out my body hole. No. What I'm doing, man? What the things that be done yourself a blood clot, I respect some people when I don't respect for them blood clot self. As a big old long time pot cover like Queenie, she should have never blood clot then at this year. I kiss with other young people. As a big old blood clot, long time sleep. You know should I know that? Say you keep them sitting there in your marriage. How long you have fucked down the earth and have different man. If I first time you married, me not care. You don't know how to deal with that. Every time you have this your blood clot pelican shit here, I'm sitting. Your man crying your fuck. One maga cry the bumbo clot. He coming like one tampon. Where you shove up in a hole and then you take out the other lip piece. I him that. You little maga piece of blood clot tampon. You know sweet thing you cute your fuck together. If anybody did I tell you so cute together, lie the pussy them did I tell. Look, where me fi go and go? You come in my yard and tell me fi go. You are telling me fi go. Me? Where you tell me fi go for? Mommy, when me stop? Fi talk me mind? Move your bum back here, man. Mommy, what you mean, man? You feel like say, me, I go look for you as my mother when they interfere and see you have that the piece of blood clot tampon strip the inner the house. Mommy, you know me stay already. Me militant slow. You know that already. Me, I beat him. Me, I beat you and him. And you know that. No, my mother can't embarrass me them way that then every minute you look, you see them two blood clot toilet water, you dip on the bumbo clot internet. But this and that. Look where I'm going to change the QR in a bumbo clot room in the look old. All of them look old one furniture. And you look boy, you need to go get up and go look work. You see when you look in work cost, brother. When you get up, I want to make all woman beat, you know, and chastise, you know, and tie you down in a blood clot house. Because you know want to live under all woman are going to blood clot money. Remember when the queen come by as a cangling did a thief. After queen is an upstanding blood clot citizen. She's more of a citizen. With the bomber clot there. You know every day, boy, Every day you can get up in this all who no pan on blood clot life. All uno, see you know I go on, bro. All uno with the pan in blood clot life in this. And tell uno if you can suck out the pussy. Can suck out the pussy. So none of the fear tell me how suck for my husband. And my husband. And my husband. She talk fucking retarded. Some men understand. Yes. I bust up your face. I bust up your face. The bitch talk like Daffy Duck. Not no cute boy, you. So any day you find this a little all long time pussy will now work, frozen pussy clot boy, you know. I'm gonna tell you about. Yeah, man, me love. In the love industry like work. This a pussy wall ya. From you carry which by you carrying, you not see that I look no work no way. Because you want to live underneath you like the old diaper them what you are wearing. You see me? You coming like the old diaper. So everybody will depend this. Yeah man. Yeah man. We love Queenie and do it. You know a pussy clot idiot. Who do we get up and love anything because you don't have a blood clot man for yourself? Who don't even have a man? You think my mama can't get that nothing like that near me? Me poison mommy. You idiot. Me poison mommy and that. Even if I go in there, I'm going to inject them juice so when them drink that them dead. You see me? I say, oh, you idiot. Remember I said this is a mad blood clot old woman, you know. When a bumbo clot idiot, the whole of Jamaica, that's how I have one blood clot idiot have a fucking prime minister lead, you know. Because I be a bumbo clot idiot, you know.